I'm wearing them here and here and here as well, here, and yes, I'm wearing them here as well. So what am I wearing? What's everything in common? Well, they're Nippies.
For me, I do not wear strapless bras anymore. They're so uncomfortable, and I just found these are way, way better. So they're really, really thin. I'm gonna take it off so you can see. It's a medical grade silicone, so it's hyperallergenic, and once you clean up everything, go ahead and just put it on. They will stay put. You can wear it up to 6 hours. I probably wouldn't go much more than 6 hours with it. The only thing you're not getting that a bra will give you is some lift, but as long as you're okay with that, these are great. They even have a matte finish, so if there's a flash photography, they're not gonna shine through your clothes. It's so perfect for that. And then also they're so thin that they're seamless. Super awesome. And then when you're done, you just take them off, you rinse it with mild soap and water, you let it air dry. I let it air dry sitting up on my countertop. My husband sees them all the time. It's not even a bizarre thing. It's just okay, cool. And then when you're done, pop it right back on this and put it right back in their case for next time. So what I love is you can use them again and again and again. They're amazing. You can wear them with dresses. You can wear them under shirts, even if you have swimsuits that you want to wear them with. I literally wear them with everything, and I'm such a fan that these exist because strapless bras are uncomfortable. So I think you're gonna love them too.